Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe in your home. So, today, children, in grammar, we are going to read about the proper nouns. So, that is given in chapter 7. So, in the previous class, we have read about the common noun. Now, today, we will do about the proper noun. Let us understand what are proper nouns. So, proper noun, that is, it the name of a particular person, place, thing, or idea. Proper nouns are always capitalized. So, what we see that the proper nouns, what they name, they have been given. Okay, the names which have been given to a particular person. When we have to identify a person, then how we will identify the person? We will identify the person by his special name. Okay, the name that has been given to that person in particular. So that is called a proper noun. So, like suppose many children are there. So, in a common, they have been given the name as children. But what happens when anyone in particular we want to say to a particular person? Then what we will say? We will say the name of that boy, okay, of that boy or that girl, and then call that girl like Mrs. Jones. Jones, okay, the name is Jones and we want to talk to that girl, that Jones, please come here. So what we have to do for that? We have to call that special person's name, then only the person will come. And then proper nouns are always capitalized. So proper nouns, they are always written in capital letter. And you know that common nouns, they are not written in capital letter. Atlanta Braves, name of the person. New York City. New York City. Okay. Now, more. Okay, see. A proper noun may also be referred to as a proper name. So, at a proper name given. It is a noun which refers to a specific person or place. This could be the name of a person or a country. For example, see what happens. For example, see, it could be name of a person or a country. For example, that. So what happens here? The proper noun, as you know, is a proper name or a special name to the person. It can be given to any person, place, or thing. Then the use of proper nouns during spoken conversation is often considered to be important, is not often considered to be important. So what happens when we are speaking? Okay, when we are speaking, then at that time, whether it is in capital letter or a small letter, that we are not able to identify, so it is written. Since spoken conversation is not considered to be important because the syntax is not affected while speaking. What happens? It is not that where we have used comma or where we have used this capital letter, these all things are important while speaking. Okay, but however, when we use a proper noun within our written work, it is important to ensure the correct use of capital letters. So what happens? But when we are writing, at that time, what we have to understand, that those proper names, proper noun, that should be written in the capital letter. Okay, while writing. But speaking, it's not. One important thing to remember when using a proper noun is the first letter should always be a capital. So, while writing a proper name, you should understand that the first letter, you should remember it, that the first letter will be capital. Let's look at some examples of the proper noun. Pride and Prejudice. Proper noun. Okay, about the idea. John Doe. So John and Doe, J and D capital. The Eiffel Tower. So the started the important and then Eiffel. Eiffel E is capital. Okay. Now the next one, let us see more rules. As with all areas of English grammar, there are certain rules which should be followed when using a proper noun. So, see some rules we will discuss. We are now going to take a look at these rules so you can feel confident that your grammar will always be correct. So, what happens? So, some rules you will have to remember so that you will not make mistakes. Okay. The proper capitalize the proper noun. As we have seen, the proper noun starts with a capital letter. The proper noun should always begin with a capital letter. It is not uncommon for people to use a capital letter at an inappropriate times during their writing, and so it is important to remember to only use a capital letter when a proper noun is being used. This will make your text easier to read. So what it is saying? It is saying that what happens in short, it is said that we should use proper noun, and that no, it is saying that we should write the proper noun with a capital letter. Whenever in writing we are doing that work and proper noun comes, then write that in a capital letter. Proper nouns as a relationship. Now see here. Despite the proper noun requiring a capital letter, there are of course exceptions to the rule. Let's take the use of family relationship as a proper noun. For example, dad, mom, grandma, etc. These words can be nouns but can also be used as a proper noun when we are using them to refer to someone by name. For the latter, they should be capitalized. Now see, please can you tell dad that I have gone to my friend's house? Now see here. Here dad is written the capital letter. Okay, and then my friend's dad is a very nice guy. Now why here dad has been capital written in the capital letter? Because here dad has been used as the proper noun in the sentence. It has been given emphasis, and then it has been used as a proper noun instead of saying the name. Then see, directions as proper noun. The directions as seen on a compass should only take a capital letter if they are being used as a place name. So directions south, north, south, east, west. They do not start with a capital letter, children. Okay, they are used as the common nouns. But here what do you see? That they are starting here. My aunt lives in South Korea. Now South Korea, here south. What happens? It is written in capital letter. Why? Because here it has been used as a place name like South Korea. My aunt lives in the south of Korea. Now south of Korea. So that is what in the Korea she aunt lives. Okay, her aunt lives in Korea, and in which direction? In south. So it is given south of Korea, and S is in small. Now see, things that do and don't need to be capitalized. Like it is sometimes difficult to determine what is a proper noun and therefore needs to take a capital letter and what does not. Here are some examples of things that do and do not need to take a capital letter. Like see, capital brand names, they should be written in capital letter. Days of the week written in capital letter. Names of the month written in capital letter. But seasons like summer, winter, autumn, spring, rainy, they should not be written in the capital letter. Like job titles, like a engineer, doctor, what happens? They should not be written in capital letter. They should be written in small letter. Now, a proper noun is a noun that determines the particular place, person, place, thing, object, organization, or any idea which is shown in or written in the sentence. So, proper noun, as you know, that is it is the name given to a particular person. It can be given to the place. It can be a thing, object, or any kind of organization or any idea which we think about, which is shown or written in the sentence. Like, say, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. So the proper name of the Everest is the Mount Everest. Talking about that it is the highest mountain in the world. Maya loves to swim early in the morning. So what is proper noun here? Maya. Then talking about a particular person. Miami is one of the lovely visiting cities to enjoy. So talking about which city? Miami. Robin is playing chess with his friend. So what is proper noun here? Robin. Kids like Oreo biscuits. So kids common name, and then Oreo biscuit proper given to the biscuits Oreo. Now identify the proper nouns and common nouns in the following sentences. Click the letter that contains the correct answer. Okay. The kids were playing. Let us do with this. The kids were flying kites at the park. So kites is a proper noun. Is it correct? No. Then kites is a common noun. Correct? Okay. Then kids and park are proper noun. Is it correct? No. So what is correct? Number B. Ticket. Then there was a storm in Hawaii last Sunday. So Hawaii and Sunday are proper noun. Hawaii and Sunday are common noun. Storm is a proper noun. So what is correct? Hawaii and Sunday. Hawaii name of place, Sunday day of the week. Then Lorena bought a book for her friend. Lorena, friend, common noun? No. Lorena is a proper noun, correct. Friend is a common noun. Very good. So this is B number correct. Lorena and friend are proper noun. No. Now Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Everest proper noun, mountain common noun. I think so. Everest and mountain are proper noun. No. Everest, mountain and world are what? Let me see. Are common noun. So correct? No. Because here what we see? That Everest is a proper noun and mountain is a, common noun. Take this one. Next one. Wait, let me put my figure upside first. Now, jacket and home are proper nouns. Correct? No. Jacket is a proper noun and home is a common noun. No. Jacket and home are common nouns. Very good. So, number C. Titanic sank on its maiden journey. Titanic and journey are common nouns. Then Titanic is a proper noun, journey is a common noun. Titanic is a common noun, journey is a proper noun. So what it is? Titanic is a proper noun and journey is a common noun. So we have done this. Okay. Now see here. Okay. Let us understand. A proper noun is a noun that names a specific object. They always begin with capital wherever they are in a sentence. Okay, correct. Would you like a biscuit? So instead of biscuit used, would you like an Oreo? Proper noun used. I want to be an actor. So name of the actor? Bruce Willis. Stayed in many films. So name of the actor is common noun and Bruce Willis proper noun. She is always with her friends. Now friends. She is always with Mary. Friend. We can meet at the cafe. So name of the cafe Starbucks. Proper. Let's go on holiday. Where? Let's go to Spain. I get the train to the city. So I get the train to the city to London. Their teacher taught music. So teacher is common. Music is common. Now in this we will change teacher to proper noun. Mr. Brown taught music. Okay. Underline the common proper nouns in these sentences. Sam went on holiday in July. Sam and July. We had a burger at McDonald's. So what we have to do? You have to write that in capital letter also. Okay. So McDonald's. What is that? Capital letter. In August, we are traveling to Egypt. August and Egypt. So you have to do the correction. Rewrite the sentence and do the correction. Tom Holland played Spider-Man in the film. So here what you have to write? Tom Holland. Okay. Capital letter and Spider-Man also. Then Oreos are my favorite biscuit, said Peter. So Oreos capital, Peter capital. Oreos name of biscuit proper and then name of person Peter. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. So what will be in the capital? Mercury. In my opinion, Arsenal are the best football team in London. So Arsenal and London is capital. Nairobi is the capital of Kenya. So in this, what will be capital? Which are proper noun? Nairobi and Kenya. J.K. Rowling is famous for writing Harry Potter. So what will be capital? J.K. Rowling and Harry Potter. They flew from London to New York. So London and New York because London is the name of the country, and then from the New York. So both you have to put in capital. Okay, so here. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Do that work.